Hello and welcome to a new video of You Make Garden Plants. Today I'm going to do a update video of my parsley that I have sown 3 weeks before, and as you can see they are growing. We are now 2 weeks further, and as you can see this is a dill that's in between here, so I need to get those out. They are from previous year, but the parsley is growing good. As you can see, there's no parsley leaves yet, but that will soon show. We are now 3 weeks further, and as you can see the dill is growing good, and you can see little parsley leaves, so these are growing good. We are now again 3 weeks further, and as you can see I have a lot of parsley leaves now. And if you want to, you can, this one I need to get out by the way, that's lemon balm. But you can also harvest now, if you want, a few leaves. So it's growing very well. And this is an old one from previous year, and it's a different species. We are now again 3 weeks further, and as you can see, the leaves are growing very good. This was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.